Olá, tudo bem? Hi everyone, my name is Maria Carmo and today I will teach you how to delegate your ADAS to the pool called Cardanistas. We are a pool where we believe in education, that with education everyone can join in many opportunities in the crypto space. So you just go to your staking center and you go to filters pools. You're gonna type Cardenistas and then it will show up the option. You just click in delegate. There you will open the page where you sign the transactions and it's actually telling you 2.18 ADAs will go out of your wallet. 2 is a deposit for the delegation. You get it back when you cancel the delegation, like before you clean up your wallet one day when you want to cash out. You just cancel the delegations, choose ADA come back, and the 0.18 is just the fee of the network. And you just type here your password, go and sign in. And here, if you ever made a payment in ADA to someone and you need to prove it, here's what you need to show. The transaction ID is long number that will show down here. So I put in my password, assign the transactions, then you can see in transactions, it's actually there, but you also can come to the staking center and look that you are delegating to the pool that you picked. That's it for today. I see you in the next tutorial, in the next event.